Hi everyone, welcome to Yes You Can, an exclusive series of bite-sized video interviews brought to you by JagranJosh.com in collaboration with the United States Embassy in India. The purpose of these talks is to invite the visa officers from the United States Embassy in India and the officials from the United States India Educational Foundation so they can share factual and credible information about the US visa application process and the various opportunities that exist for the Indian students in the United States. In this journey, we are joined by Chris and Karsten, who are actual visa officers at the US Embassy in India, and Bhavna, who's a senior program officer at United States India Educational Foundation. We hope you will find this video series useful and the information shared of value, which comes straight from the horse's mouth. Our guest on the show is Chris, an actual visa officer at the US Embassy in India. He's going to help us answer a lot of questions which are there in the minds of the Indian students who are applying for a US visa, who want to go to the US to pursue higher education. Welcome, Chris.
Thank you for having me.
Chris, I'd first like to invite you to share a bit about yourself and the kind of work that you do.
मेरा नाम क्रिस है. मैं अमेरिकी दूतावास में काम करता हूँ और मेरा जॉब वीज़ा ऑफिसर है. I'm originally from Arizona, and I'm really happy to be talking about students today. I myself was once a student at Arizona State University, where I earned a degree in Chinese, and that's a language that I speak and I'm more comfortable in, but I'm also learning Hindi right now, which I really enjoy as well.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. So, Chris, tell us what are the basic requirements for a student who is applying for a US visa?
हर छात्र को ये दिखाना होगा कि वो क्वालिफाइड है, उसका भारत से संबंध है और वो अमेरिका सिर्फ पढ़ने जा रहा है. Students should be able to talk about how they will fund their education and their living expenses. And they should also be able to convince the visa officer that they're going to adhere to the rules of the F1 visa. That really means that students should, first of all, be themselves. They should be honest, and they should tell their own story. That's going to be a lot more convincing for a visa officer than a student, say, who goes on a script. It's okay for students to prepare for their interviews, of course, but they should be preparing based on their own story. Knowing your story and knowing your motivations, and that's what students should spend time really being able to talk about.